Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. In today's fast-paced digital world, maintaining ISO 10001 compliance is crucial for any business that wants to build customer trust. While ISO 10001 defines clear customer satisfaction codes of conduct, tracking compliance manually can be slow, error-prone and inefficient. This is where digital tools come into play. They help organizations monitor commitments, handle complaints, and continuously improve their customer satisfaction systems effectively, making it easier to deliver on promises consistently. Now, understanding ISO 10001 in the digital era. ISO 10001 focuses on customer promises, commitments your company makes and fulfills to ensure satisfaction. In the age of e-commerce and online services, customer expectations are immediate, measurable, and often public. Digital tools allow businesses to track delivery timelines, monitor complaint resolution, collect structured feedback, and generate insightful reports. Without these tools, gaps in compliance can quickly lead to dissatisfied customers and lost trust. Now, benefits of using digital tools for compliance. Implementing digital tools brings multiple advantages. Real-time monitoring allows companies to track commitments instantly, while analytics provide data-driven insights on delivery performance, complaint resolution, and satisfaction scores. Automation reduces human errors in reporting and task management. Transparency ensures that all stakeholders have access to compliance reports, and continuous improvement becomes easier through actionable insights. For example, when a customer complains about a delayed delivery, a digital system can immediately flag the issue, assign corrective action, and notify the responsibility, all automatically. Now let's discuss the step-by-step strategy to track compliance digitally. The first step is to define key customer commitments, including delivery timelines, returns, refunds, and support response times. Next, map each commitment to appropriate digital tools, CRMs for customer interactions, workflow tools for task management, survey platforms for feedback, and analytics tools for reporting. Automate alerts and reminders to ensure accountability, centralize all data into dashboards for real-time insights, and generate weekly or monthly compliance reports. Finally, review results regularly to identify bottlenecks, refine processes, and improve performance continuously. Now, the best practices for digital tracking. To maximize effectiveness, companies should integrate systems to avoid siloed data, ensure real-time updates, and train staff on proper tool usage. Visual dashboards simplify insights for decision makers, while AI and automation can predict potential compliance risk and highlight recurring issues. By following these practices, businesses can transform ISO 10001 compliance from a manual task into dynamic data-driven system. Now have a look on the future trends in digital ISO 10001 compliance. With AI, machine learning, and real-time analytics, compliance tracking will become smarter and more predictive. Businesses will be able to identify risk before they escalate, automate corrective actions, and continuously refine processes. Cloud-based tools and mobile apps will make compliance monitoring accessible anytime, anywhere, ensuring that customer satisfaction commitments are consistently met in an increasingly digital marketplace. Digital tools as the compliance engine. ISO 10001 is all about keeping promises to customers, and digital tools makes that process measurable, transparent, and actionable. By leveraging CRMs, workflow platforms, analytics dashboards, and complaint management systems, businesses can track commitments, monitor performance, and continuously improve their customer satisfaction programs. In today's competitive market, organizations that use digital tools to manage ISO 10001 compliance don't just meet standards. They build trust, loyalty, and a sustainable competitive advantage. Thanks for watching this detailed session with me, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.